Hi and welcome to the Online Dog Trainer, a video-based dog training site. Inside, you'll discover the secrets to creating an amazing relationship with your dog or new puppy. I'm Doggy Dan, professional dog trainer and behaviourist. Having trained thousands of dogs over the years, I really have seen it all, so it's with great confidence that I can say this dog training website absolutely works. You see, the simple techniques I'll be sharing with you will remove all your frustration because we'll be working with your dog's nature to permanently change their behaviour rather than just applying a band-aid. The calm and gentle method that I use will show you exactly how to stop all those dog problems you're currently experiencing without using fear or aggression. You see, I know that owning a dog or new puppy can be one of the most stressful experiences. I've seen it time and time again. Maybe you're scared that one day your dog is going to harm someone around you. Maybe they drive you crazy by just not listening, or maybe you're too embarrassed of their behaviour to take them out on a walk. If things are going really badly, you may have even considered getting rid of your dog or puppy because you've just had enough. Well, now you can relax because there is a solution, and the great news is training your dog is simple when you know how.
Sit.
We both know the rules, we both put them into place, and they're still working now. And from that year and a half, 2 years ago that I spoke to you, our dog has not jumped up over the fence, no noise control, and the neighbours love us.
But even now, that's amazing how he's just sitting.
He's
quietly.
never done that.
No.
He's never been like this around other
another
dogs.
dog.
Is that right?
Never.
You see, it's not your fault. Nobody's ever shown you the right way to train a dog or puppy because so few people actually know how to do it. And that's what I'm here to do. This video program will quickly return your confidence, and it will empower you to create a rewarding and loving relationship with your dog. And if you've just brought a new puppy home, you'll get all the tools and knowledge at your fingertips to raise them perfectly from the start. I've experienced every kind of dog and puppy problem there is, and I've yet to come across a dog I couldn't train. So no matter how bad it is, your dog can be trained too using this program. I've recorded all my live dog consultations and created this website so that I can share my knowledge with you on video in the comfort of your own home. In these real life cases, you get to see the exact steps of what I do and hear exactly what I say and when. And this is why video training is so powerful and why my method gets such great results and feedback.
It was no fun. It was just stress. We had stress every day. And now we have a really lovely dog. We have fun together. The dog is happy. Thank you very much. We've got a new dog.
It really is the fastest and easiest way to an awesome dog. So I invite you to join me and discover how fun and easy dog training can be using this amazing method. Just sign up below for your 3-day trial now. It's my gift to you from one huge dog lover to another.